Hi, so today we're going to talk about how you can make $1,000 per week with no job, no anything. You don't need any skills. You don't need anything to be able to do this. You can easily make $1,000 per week, and you actually never have to work for anyone ever again. Okay, so let's get into it. So basically, all you're going to do is download Instacart. And literally, yes, it sounds like Instagram, but it's not. It's literally Instacart. I'm pretty sure that's how they went so viral and started becoming this huge phenomenon or whatever. Like literally, they called themselves Instacart. Anyway, so you're going to download Instacart, and basically you're going to fill out your information. You're going to get approved. It takes like literally less than 24 hours. As long as you have a car and a valid driver's license, you're honestly just good to go. Now, in order to be successful and actually make $1,000 per week, because not everyone can actually make $1,000 per week. Let's face it, people are lazy. People actually don't want to follow directions. I'm giving you 3 directions to follow. And as you can see, I'm literally sitting in the parking lot. So my point is, once you download the app and you're approved, you're going to go to first step, a rich neighborhood. And yes, I said a rich neighborhood because honestly, what are you going to do in a poor neighborhood? So if you go to a rich neighborhood, first of all, you're going to realize that literally you're surrounding yourself with where and who you want to be. You want to be rich. You're doing this because you don't want to work for anyone. You want to stop working for the person you're working for now, or you just need an extra source of income. This is how you do it. It's so easy. So once you go to that rich neighborhood, you're going to find a Publix. That's step 2. You find a Publix in that rich neighborhood. You sit in that Publix just like I'm doing right now. I'm currently sitting in the Publix parking lot in literally the richest neighborhood in Boca. So you're going to sit in that neighborhood and you're basically going to wait for the batches to flow in. And yes, I said batches. That's what they're called. So what a batch is, it's literally a person just ordering their groceries, and it pops up as a little square and it tells you how much money you're going to make. The goal here is to not click on anything you don't want. Do you want to make $5? No, you want to make at least $100 per batch that you do. So you're only going to click on the big money earning batches. So I'm talking about the $70, $80, $90, $100 batches that come through where it's like it's one person and they want like 20 items, or it's 2 people and they want like 10 things each. Like literally, you'll see. So that is step 3. But basically, that's it. That's how I make $1,000 per week, and that's how you can too. Here's a little green screen to show you just a little bit of what I make per day. If you have questions, just let me know. But here it is. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Mwah.